softly melted cheese, gently shredded chicken, a silky white sauce kissed with garlic and cheese. This isn't just a sandwich, it's a whole mood. Let's make cheesy chicken sandwich. Make a silky cheesy white sauce. All layered between golden, toasted bread and fresh greens. Melt the cheese into the chicken until it's creamy and full of comfort. Light, comforting, and made with love. Layer the love, crisp greens, melty filling, a gentle finish. Layered with fresh greens, the cheesy chicken, and press it all together. Golden toast with that silky, dreamy white sauce, cool, creamy, and light. Nestled between golden, toasted bread and crisp greens. Delicately layered with juicy, tender chicken, with soft, melted cheese. This sandwich is wrapped in the gentle creaminess of a light white sauce. Each bite is a perfect balance of freshness, comfort, and elegance. Finally, slice it, soft, warm, and perfectly balanced. Beautifully satisfying. This is your cheesy chicken sandwich, simple, yummy, and nourishing.